oh, we'll step on the yard tomorrow. We can't get no show together. We'll step on the yard. I'm like,
so what, just for tomorrow?
But your math is off.
Yeah,
it's tomorrow. It's Wednesday.
Just interviews for tomorrow?
Yeah, we just want to get some pre-interviews before the step show. We're going to take the step show, you know. So, you know, we're going to put it together.
That's cool. We got light.
That work? Him if they lose, he got to go and hibernate for a year.
You know what though? I'm like Fingers though, man. If somehow, some way, Cap Outside do not be
from last year? You talking about last year, Joe? I mean, you talking about last year?
You on above and me a case. Fuck them alphas, man. They be reneged.
You be a case.
Get that shit on tape.
Just gonna play fire enough.
You got that at the end. At the end, Rod.
I'm gonna tell you how it is, okay?
Somehow,
some way, Cap Outside do not win.
You got it on, Tom.
Huh?
Black Saturday.
It's not recording, though. Huh? It's not recording.
No, it's not.
No, not when this thing start blinking and it's just straight. It goes recording.
It is blinking. It's straight.
No, when it goes straight.
He said when it goes straight.
Live from station KA side. This is Rodney.
He said, this is Rodney.
You ready? Are you ready?
This is about a Kappa thing, yo.
Go ahead.
Is it on here?
The light is still blinking.
The green light is on. Fuck it.
Red light's on. It's recording. Yo, I can talk as much shit as I want.
When it's off, it's not recording.
Starting with the
What's the
alpha.
language though, dog? Rod, you get in one shot in the end. Rod, you get in one shot in the end.
Okay, I'm not gonna use the
Here.
Only for one reason.
Let's go ahead and start this. I'm here with the president of Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity Incorporated, and
Y'all just have to
my
wait.
new pie,
Y'all
right?
have to wait.
Right.
Y'all not ready to do this, no.
Yeah. I just want to know what you guys' fraternity is all about and what the Greek show means to you guys.
Well, we're all about running the yard for one. Straight up. Pronto, no mistakes
It's
about
more
it.
than just running the yard.
By new.
Pop.
We control it.
Well, I'll tell you like this. Cap Alpha Psi, the Kappa Psi chapter here is with the collective efforts of the brothers, we are constantly pursuing achievement. That's our base. Anything we do, I guess the topic here is the step show, you know. Yeah. And we're the controversial winners of last year. Controversy, quote unquote.
Depends on how you look at it.
It depends how you look at it. Now, I didn't see no controversy, but now.
You say that.
Anyway, back to the topic. Topic though, you know, once again, we plan on winning it though. I mean, we didn't even start the first step without wanting to win. I mean, me and my Sam's been stepping since '86, hard and royally. So, royally. I don't plan on losing. And if I lose, the lights went out and so the power went out the whole place or something like that. Because we coming pretty deep though. Yeah, we are coming pretty deep. We coming with some cool
this is
stuff.
not the multi-culture.
I mean, that's the multi-culture. Your brothers, everybody walking around talking about don't drop cash, don't drop cash. Hold on. We don't get to that. Hold on, I got the mic. Look, okay, everybody talking about don't drop y'all cans, But now, people missing beats, but they ain't getting sweated, so don't sweat us, okay? But now, we ain't gonna drop. We're gonna drop one time.
Not even
one time. And y'all gonna see it.
And be over.
And it's gonna be over. Okay. It's gonna be over.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be like,
on purpose.
see y'all. We're gonna walk off with them 12.
Thank you.
4 of them. 2 from last year, 2 this year. And on that note,
yo.
trophies is already. We gotta go.
Signs.